Now, dear learners, let us discuss the weather patterns and season in the Philippines. Unlike the other countries that experience 4 seasons, and the Philippines has only 2 seasons only, the wet season and the dry seasons. This because our country is located at the equator or Ecuador, which means it receives direct sunlight all year round. As a result, we experience the high temperature, high humidity, and abundant and rainfall through the year. The seasons in the Philippines are not caused by the earth tilt but our geographic location and the prevailing winds known as the northeast monsoon and the southeast monsoon. The northern monsoon or the amihan, the northern monsoon, that is the amihan, and the southwest monsoon, that is the habagat. So the wet season occurs from the June to November and is characterized by frequent rainfall, flooding, strong typhoons brought by the habagat which carries warm and moist air. During this time, farmers plant crops and the people eat warmer foods, wear thicker clothing, and usually staying indoors or bring umbrellas or raincoat when going out.
Meanwhile, the dry season happens from December to May. It is marked by little or no rainfall and dusty soil. This season is influenced by amihan, which brings cool and dry with light to moderate rainfall in some parts of the country. During this period, people often enjoying outdoor activities such as swimming, kite flying, and biking. Farmers dry their crops under the sun, while families enjoy cold treats like halo-halo, ice cream, and fruit shakes. Let us reflect on what we have learned. So here's the questions. First, what are the two main seasons in the Philippines and how do they differ from each other? Second, how do the northeast monsoon, which is amihan, and southwest monsoon, habagat, influence our weather? Number 3, in what ways do people's activities like clothing and food choices change during these seasons?
After understanding the two main seasons, it's also important to learn about other weather phenomena that affect this season, the El Nino and La Nina. These two bring unusual change in temperature and rainfall that greatly influence our country's climate and daily life. El Nino occurs when the Pacific Ocean becomes warmer than usual. This results in less rainfall, hotter weather, and even drought in some areas. Rivers and farmlands may dry up, making it difficult for farmers to grow crops. During El Nino, we are advised to conserve water and take care of plants and animals that may be affected by extreme heat.
On the other hand, La Nina happens when the Pacific Ocean becomes colder than normal. It brings heavy rains, floods, and sometimes strong typhoons. Although it helps refill our water sources, it can also damage homes, roads, and crops. That is why people need to stay alert, listen to weather advisories, and prepare emergency supplies in case of floods or storms. Both El Nino and La Nina are natural events that happen every few years. In the Philippines, these changes are closely monitored by PAG-ASA, the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration. PAG-ASA provides weather updates and warnings to help everyone prepare and stay safe. Understanding these phenomena helps us protect our community and the environment from the effects of extreme weather. Now, let's check your understanding through a few questions. Number 1. What are El Nino and La Nina? Number 2, what happens during El Nino? And number 3, what happens during La Nina?
Finally, it is essential to recognize the important role of pag-asa in monitoring and forecasting the weather in our country. Pag-asa observes and records weather patterns, rainfall, and wind direction or even typhoons. This agency provides accurate weather forecasts, warnings, and advisories to help people prepare for possible natural events such as heavy rain, floods, or storm. Through Pag-asa regular announcements, Filipino are guided on when to expect rainfall, drought, or extreme weather. This information helps farmers plan to their planting and harvesting seasons and keeps communities safe for disasters. So, before we end this part, let's answer a few reflection questions. Number 1. What does Pag-asa stands for? Again, number 1, what does Pag-asa stands for? And number 2, what is the main role of Pag-asa? Again, what is the main role of Pag-asa? And number 3, how does Pag-asa help people in their daily lives? Number 3, how does Pag-asa help people in their daily lives?
After answering all 9 questions in total, take a photo and upload it to the Google Drive link provided and labeled it as full name underscore E underscore 9. Now class, for our activity, let us apply what we have learned about the weather patterns in the Philippines, particularly La Nina. On July 12, 2024, the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration or Pag-asa released a La Nina alert, warning that there is a 70% chance of La Nina developing between August and October 2024 and possibly lasting until early 2025. This means our country may experience more frequent rainfall, cooler weather, and possibly flooding in several areas. Imagine that you are part of your barangay's community weather and safety team. After hearing this alert, your task is to help your community plan and prepare for the upcoming La Nina months. You may choose one of the following formats for your output. Option 1. Poster or drawing. Create a colorful poster that shows how families and communities can prepare for La Nina. You may include activities such as cleaning canals, checking roofs, storing food and water, or preparing emergency kits. Option 2. Essay. Write a short essay titled Preparing for La Nina based on Pag-asa's July 12, 2024 alert. In your essay, you should mention the date of the alert, describe at least 3 preparations people can do, explain how daily activities, clothing, and food might change during La Nina, and reflect on why listening to Pag-asa's announcements is important. Your essay should be 200 to 300 words long. Option 3. 1-minute video. Record yourself as a mini weather reporter delivering a short report about Pag-asa's July 12, 2024 La Nina alert. Explain what La Nina is, what Pag-asa reported, and how people can prepare for it. After completing your chosen output, answer this short reflection in 2 to 3 sentences. Why is listening to Pag-asa's weather reports important? How can their announcement help keep families and communities safe? Don't forget to also answer these 3 generalization questions to sum up all the knowledge you gained as today's topic. Number 1. How do the wet and dry seasons, as well as El Nino and La Nina, affect the daily lives and activities of people in the Philippines? Number 2. Why is it important for Filipinos to be aware of weather changes and reports from Pag-asa? And 3. What can we do to lessen the negative effects of extreme weather events like El Nino and La Nina? Once you are finished, take a clear photo or video of your work and upload it to the Google Drive link provided. Label your file as full name underscore BEd2B.